Hey everyone, Chuck here. This topic in the exam content manual talks about aligning the facility strategy with manufacturing service strategy. So there's really nothing we can draw per se, but we can talk it through here. Facility strategy is really talking about the physical layout of our building, the racking, the shelving, workstations, et cetera, and that stuff. And so if we talk about the idea of a facility strategy aligning with and supporting our business strategy, then here's what we're talking about. If you think about a high volume, low variety business where we're cranking out the same things all the time here, it's a make to stock environment. And so if you think about the physical layout there, then we want some type of product line or assembly line so that once we set up, we can just keep running product down the assembly line. Where the facility part fits in is imagine yourself having rented or purchased a building, a warehousing building or something that's 150 years old. And maybe every 10, 15 feet, we've got a pillar, a support pillar coming down from the ceiling to be able to support the levels above the building because that's how they were constructed at the time. Well, if you envision that, the possibility certainly exists that if we're putting together a warehouse, a factory production line, storage, we're going to have physical movement. Pretty tough to deal with a high volume, low variety assembly line situation when we're going to turn around and have to be working around these pillars all the time. So we actually probably could draw this out. Let me share the screen real quick here. And let's bring up our whiteboard for us here as an example. Then we can start capturing a bit of what we're talking about here. So here's this building we're talking about. And I've constantly got these pillars in the whole building. How do I set up an assembly line that allows for high volume, low variety, things moving in one piece flow? Yeah, maybe I could set up a line across here, but now I'm going to have warehouse storage over here. Maybe the material handling equipment is going to be over here, and it's got to move in and out of these pillars. We're receiving things in over here. And maybe we're shipping out over on the right side. Pretty clear at that point that it's going to be difficult, if not impossible, to set up an effective line because the facilities do not support how we're trying to do business. And that's what we mean when we're talking about aligning the physical facilities with what the business strategy is. No matter whether it's make to stock, make to order, engineer to order, assemble to order, whatever, we need to have alignment and support with our physical strategy.